everybody, it's another gorgeous Saturday morning in the Swansea Valley. This time though, I'm on my way to Porthcawl for the Wales Ukulele Project Summer Jam 2023. This is the third one of these, as always organised by the lovely Shaun Keddy of the Wales Ukulele Project. I haven't actually been that well the last few days. I've had a bit of a cold and a very deaf ear, so I really wasn't sure if I was going to make it. But I'm on my way. I'm running a bit late. It's sunny at the minute. There are thunderstorms forecast possibly for later, but I'm really looking forward to catching up with a load of ukulele players and quite a few old friends. So it's a busy day and a busy week this week. So yeah, on my way to Porthcawl right now. Later on, I'm doing a live stream because I have reached 500 videos between both the Ukuleleans and the Ukulele Wales channels. So I thought I'd have a little bit of fun, maybe looking back at previous videos, favourites, the ones I dislike the most. And then on Saturday today, Friday, in 6 days time, we're driving up to Huddersfield for the Grand Northern Ukulele Festival 2023, which I am overly excited about. Not just events and festivals and things. Last weekend I had the absolute pleasure of meeting Rick Whitehead and his wife Roz. They're over from Australia. They're doing a little bit of a ukulele tour. They actually started off in Italy in the Mediterranean Ukulele Festival, but we're staying in Wales for a few days. So they came to the house and visited. It was lovely meeting them. They're such nice people. And in fact, Rick actually taught me a little Australian ukulele song as well.
Give me a home among the gum trees with lots of plum trees, a sheepwood to a kangaroo, a clothesline out the back, a veranda out the front, and an old rocking chair.
And they are both going to be going up to Huddersfield at the end of the week as well, so I'm really looking forward to seeing those two. So they finally announced the actual play-in lineup and everything for the Grand Northern Ukulele Festival. I know Cynthia Lynn, I think she's probably the headline act. Bernadette teaches music. Phil Dolman is there. I want to say Dead Man's Uke. I may have just made that up. Pete Laguno, the massive educator from Canada. Mike Upton from Carla is going to be there, and all the various ukulele projects. So yeah, lots of planning, what ukes to take. We've decided there'll probably be more ukuleles in the car than clothes, but thoroughly looking forward to that later on in the week. So the previous couple of times we played in Porthcawl, we've been right on the seafront, which is gorgeous, but it's a bit windy. This year we're right in the town centre by the bandstand. I think I know where it is, but we're only a couple of minutes away now. Right, I'm here. The car park is very full. I don't think they're all going to be ukulele players, but I better go and find them. So I've just spoken to a lovely gentleman who said there are absolutely loads of ukuleles, so let's go and find them. I can definitely hear ukuleles. All right. Hello. Hello.
What's going on?
Cheer up, sleepy Jean. Oh, what can it be? Well, they dream the river and land, old and and learn to read, learn to. Now don't try to give me handbells. What I desire is that train brings my dreams up to. Give you a secret handbell. You want to do. Give me the power of magic love so I can be like you. What we do, I wanna be like you. Lucky you, lucky you. Don't like you, don't like you. You see it's true. That ain't like me. Like me, like me. Like you. I'd be like you. Like you, but I won't like you. Don't like you too. Shaking it, that's it. And I ain't like me. Singing you back to me. I'd like to read it. Like you one more time. And learn to read it. Like you. Solid gold. Sunshine is coming over me. There is wonder in most everything I see. Not a cloud in the sky, but the sun in my eyes, and I won't be surprised if it's a dream. Top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I've found ever since you've been around. Your love puts me on the top of the
So that was quite a nice surprise, seeing that many ukuleles playing, loads of familiar faces, more cool hand ukes there than I actually thought. Shaun seemed very pleased with it, so we're just having a quick lunchtime break. So far, it hasn't rained. It does feel very muggy, so we're just keeping everything crossed, because even though there is a bandstand, most of us are not actually underneath it. So here's one of the awesome bass players from today. Where are you from, sir?
Buryport.
Buryport.
Yes, yes,
Nice. Do you play with a group? Who do you play with?
And actually ukulele players. I play ukulele with them. They've
Yeah.
got another bassist, so I'm here just
Awesome.
having a bit of fun here.
Oh, nice to meet you. Donna,
Hello, Nev.
are we enjoying?
Oh, enjoy your yo.
This is your first Porthcawl, isn't it? A quick whiz round. Few familiar faces from last year and the year before.
Yeah, same hat.
Same hat. I love your hats, mine. Bridgend, you guys are from, isn't it?
Yeah, that's right. My
Cool.
stag. Yeah,
My Stag. I'm so sorry.
Jen's over there.
Right, yeah. We gotta say, where's she gone? We gotta say hello to Hillary. You alright, Hills?
Good, good, good.
I'm a man who doesn't know.
can see, it's actually raining quite hard now, and behind me, the ukuleles are still going. Fair play.
Alright, anyone want posters? There's some there, one sister.
Oh, I've just got back to the car, everything packed up. Rain it didn't stop play. We got to the end of the songbook. I had to stop recording though. But it has been a fantastic day. Loads and loads of people there. People I knew, people I've never met before, people coming up and saying hello. So thank you to you guys. A massive well done to Shaun, as always, with the Wales Ukulele Project. A really fun day organised. Right, I got to get home and get ready to do a live stream tonight. I do hope you've enjoyed this as well. As always, though, if you've got any comments or questions, please feel free. Leave them below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.